French girl makeup inspired by the Olympics, obviously. We're going out in the sun today, and I just feel like having that perfect natural French girl makeup. So when we want our complexion to be perfect, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the Lumiere. Are you guys watching the Olympics? Are you watching the Olympics? I went to Paris in 2018. It's been quite a few years, but I have been on a boat on that river and ate dinner in the Eiffel Tower, and I saw Moulin Rouge live. I'm gonna do my Laneige moisturizer. It's really light, but it gives a nice, beautiful glow and will keep me hydrated throughout the day. I want to have a nice glowy look, so I'm gonna go in with this SPF. It is the Beauty of Joseon, and it goes on like a serum. Feels really good, silky, and not sticky at all. Little primer in the areas that I tend to have my pores. We need to be glowing, so we are gonna go in with the e.l.f. I'm gonna just sponge that in. Look at that beautiful glow already. Do a little underpainting because we don't want it to be too obvious. We just want to look really natural. A little half blending. You don't want to blend in completely. This is a SPF 50 blush. So of course we're gonna use this by Cecil. Go right under your eye. We're underpainting, so we're not being perfect here, okay? Trust the process. Since we're going French makeup, I'm gonna use my Typology. Put it on my hand and really work my brush into the product. You're gonna think you almost don't have any product on your brush. And then you're gonna just kind of stamp that in. I feel like brows are a big part of French beauty. It's gonna be complexion, brows, and lips. Concealer, I'm doing the Typology as well. Put a little on my hand, and I'm going to work the product into my brush and tap that where I need it. Now I went way up high with my blush. It works as a color corrector once I have my concealer over it. See, very pretty. We want to get the upper lash line, so not the waterline, but the lash line. You build up the side, and then you take your nail and give yourself a little flick. And it's gonna give you the tiniest little baby wing. Curl those eyelashes, and then I'm using a dark brown mascara. Just really obsessed with this color. My House Labs. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. And now, the most important part is the lip. And this is from Violette FR. I think that's how you say her name. She's a French makeup artist. Created these beautiful balms, and you press it on. Okay, you don't want it too much. You want it like almost like you've been making out, and now you're done making out. That's beautiful. You could do it thicker. I love this technique. Pat, and there you go. French girl makeup on a 53-year-old.